Make a great choice today with the 2023 Maverick. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, privacy glass, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.